Hello, have you ever tried to use JavaScript AJAX, uh, JavaScript jQuery AJAX to make a petition to the server? And are you sending a JSON object until later here on the server? The JSON object doesn't load. The info of the JSON object simply doesn't appear. Why is that? Let me show you and explain you why this happened. It's a noob error. Everyone should probably is gonna have this problem at some point of their learning, because there is not anyone that are trying to explain how this works or why this happens. Probably if you search deep on tutorials, you can find how to do this properly, but not one takes the time to explain this to you. For example, this one is a custom object made of a custom class. It's an instance of a custom class that I have. I'm converting this into a JSON object string, and then that JSON object string is sent here on the AJAX petition on the data part. Then it sends the data part to the server. All the data, all of this is going to be sent as this variable post automatically. You don't have to name it. It just automatically name itself post. Then I trying to access the data, the data tag. But if it works, it should come here and add to this message this text, and then echoes the JSON converted message, and that's all. This function converts any variable on of PHP on a JSON object. Then it should respond with an JSON object. But instead of come here and concatenate the message here, it's going to fall here, because it's not gonna find this property of the post variable. Why it's happening that? If there is here on this petition is the data object, the data property here, why is not happening? Why is not finding it here? And instead of that, if it fall here and show this message: error, los datos no se enviaron correctamente. Let me show you that really is making this. Okay, save post. Okay, error, los datos no se enviaron correctamente. As you can see, it's the same message: error, los datos no se enviaron correctamente. Why is this happening? How can I fix that? It's very simple, and it took me a long time to discern it, to figure it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to say the word properly, but I know the word figuratively or something like that. But sorry, I'm not a native English speaker, as you can hear. Then why is this happening here? This is a JSON text anyway, but you have to send not a JSON string. You have to send an actual JSON object, and that's all the problem. That's really all the problem here. Then what? How you can fix that? It's very simple. You have to create a JSON object and in the tag name it whatever you want. In this case, the data, and let's change it for entry or post. It's better post. No, it's better entry. I'm sorry, entry. Here entry and entry. Save and save. Now it should come here, add seteado to the message, and maybe on one place here, because of this JSON decode, could make a problem, and then skip all of this code and come here to else. But I don't know. Let me show you, let me prove if this really works. Okay, save, and let's try again. Okay, save. See, the message is different here. Seteado parseando correcto. Ok. Seteado parseando correcto. Then it concatenates all of this message and send them as a message. And then the AJAX petition just make the alert here. With the stringified converted to text object JSON that has been sent as a response from the server. And that's all the problem. It took me a lot of times, of days, to find what the hell is happening here. I really saw that the JSON object was populated by my custom class stringified, and even that there is no way that I could find the data property, and that's because the data property doesn't exist. You have to send the JSON object, a truly JSON object like this, to the server here on the data part of the petition. But you could believe, you could think, if you are a noob like me, that just stringifying things is gonna name them like this or like this, it's by itself, and then passing the data here is gonna construct the JSON object by itself here, but it's not like that. You have to construct it here. And what happened is whatever JSON string is created, it just comes to be a value inside of the JSON object and under the tag name entry, in this case, or whatever you want. And that's all. That's solved up the problem. Let me show you again. Ready? That's all. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you wanna help me, please make a donation on PayPal. The links are on the below on the screen description or on the video itself, or Patreon. Support me on Patreon. If you have any questions, please send um, leave a message here, and I'm gonna try to answer you as soon as possible. You can help me too. Go into the description, find or the first comment, uh, find a link to library, make your own account. It's like YouTube. It's like YouTube. It's very similar to YouTube, but it doesn't censor you, and it's a free platform that paid you on crypto devices. So cryptocurrency, sorry. So you can help me make your own account with my link, referral link, and tip if you like the videos that I gonna will upload here. Tier, sorry, on library. You can help me too in that way if you had no money. So thank you for watching. See you later and have a nice day.